I am here with Assistant Principal Johnson. Now, Miss Johnson, are you ready to take the JR questionnaire?
I am.
Miss Johnson, what is the best sandwich?
Turkey with avocado.
What is the scariest animal?
Snakes.
Apples or oranges?
Oranges.
Have you ever asked someone for their autograph?
You probably don't even know who this group is, but it was the group called Crisscross. And I happened to be up there in that time, and they were right there.
Favorite action movie?
Any of the Transformer movies.
Favorite smell?
The smell of the ocean.
Least favorite smell?
Eucalyptus.
You get one song to listen to for the rest of your life. What is it?
On Bended Knee by Boyz II Men.
What number am I thinking of?
1.
No. Describe the rest of the school year in 5 words.
What you make it, Panthers.
Congratulations, Miss Johnson, you are now known.